Teaching is one of the most meaningful jobs out there. But let's be real, meaning doesn't pay the bills. And I don't know about you, but I am done pretending that passion alone is enough to survive on. Hey friends, I'm Danielle, full-time mom, wife, content creator, and founder of Danielle's Teaching Treasures, LLC. I help burnt out teachers, struggling teachers, and others create income outside the classroom so that they can still teach because they want to, not because they're financially trapped. Today I'm breaking down something that every teacher should know. It is what six-figure teachers actually do differently and why these side hustles are changing lives. These are not the type to sell your soul to another job. These are ones with no trading hours for dollars, no second job required, and yes, actual scalability. Before we dive in, here's what every high-earning teacher side hustle has in common so you know exactly what to look for. One, it's not hourly. If you're still getting paid by the hour, it's not scalable. Two, it has passive potential, meaning you can set it up and it keeps on paying you. Three, you can niche it down. Because the internet doesn't award generalists, it rewards people who solve one specific problem. Side hustle one is YouTube. And listen, I know YouTube can seem intimidating. Cameras, editing, talking, and trying not to blink weird. Trust me, I get it. But YouTube is the only platform where content works for you while you sleep. It isn't a post and pray platform, it's a search engine. Teachers who create tutorials, teacher hacks, special ed strategies, classroom organization content, education commentary, or niche expertise videos can build ad revenue, affiliate income, traffic to digital product, and credibility fast. YouTube is where I'm building my long-term home because it compounds. Every video I make becomes an asset. Side hustle number two, teachers like us spend years creating materials. And guess what? Other teachers need the exact things that you already made. Digital product equals zero inventory, low startup costs, endless scalability. Some teachers are hitting 6 and 7 figures simply by solving one pain point with digital resources. That's the power of niching down. Side hustle number three, courses and memberships. This is where teachers with a specific skill will shine. Classroom management, special ed strategies, parent communication, behavior system, teacher organization. If you can help someone get transformation, you can build a course or a membership. It's not quick. It's not easy money, but once it's built, it becomes one of the most scalable incomes a teacher can create. Side hustle four, teaching platforms and organizations. Teaching platforms like OutSchool especially bring your organization on the platform. If you're great at teaching a specific topic, there is income to be made here. Some teachers scale by hiring other educators to teach under their organization. It's not my personal top pick long run, but it can absolutely be a stepping stone while you build your digital income. Side hustle five, physical products. Selling on Etsy, Amazon, Shopify. This one can be profitable, but it requires upfront investment. You're dealing with manufacturing, shipping, or inventory. There are success stories, but it's the least beginner friendly. And as a full-time teacher, digital is just easier, cheaper, and more scalable. Here's the part most teachers don't hear enough. You do not need 5 side hustles. You don't even need 2. You need one that scales, one that fits your life, one that will give you breathing room again. I'm teacher and mom and wife. I didn't have the hours to pour into another job. I didn't have extra energy, and I definitely didn't have extra money to throw at every online opportunity. What changed everything for me was finally having a system, mentorship, direction, and community. That is why I then created my own community, a space for teachers to finally have a simple plan, a clear path, daily support, training that actually makes sense, and a system where you can build income just in 1 to 2 hours a day. If you want freedom, if you want more breathing room, more choices, you don't have to figure it out alone. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, join my community. It's where I give you the exact blueprint that I use to get started, that helped me go from overworked, struggling teacher to building on my terms. The links are in the description, and trust me, you don't want to wait for someday.